Conveniently located just minutes from the Grand Parkway sits this beautiful Perry home at 18022 Liberton Drive in Aliana. Featuring 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and a 3-car garage, this nearly 4,200 square foot home has so much to offer any sized family. The spacious living area has soaring 19-foot ceilings, tile floors, and a gas fireplace, and opens to the island kitchen, which features granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and a separate spice kitchen with its own oven. Entering the home through the gated courtyard, you'll find the large study with French doors, and on the other side of the entry is the dining room with decorative arched columns. The primary bedroom is spacious and has room for a sitting area and a door leading to the back patio. There are double doors leading to the owner's bath, which includes granite counters, dual sinks, a 6-foot tub with a separate shower, and a large closet. Featuring a second bedroom downstairs with its own bath, it's currently being used as a sound studio, but it's perfectly suited for a mother-in-law suite. With quick access to the Grand Parkway and all of the shopping and restaurants just minutes away, 18022 Liberton Drive in Aliana is the perfect place for your family's new home. Upstairs is a game room, a separate media room with its own balcony overlooking the backyard, and 3 large guest bedrooms. The spacious covered back patio has tall ceilings and plenty of room for backyard barbecues and family gatherings.